Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm fine.
Nice to hear that. What's your name?
My name's Pooja.
How was your day, Pooja?
It was great.
Okay. Do you know the meaning of your name?
What?
Do you know the meaning of your name?
Yes, I know.
What is that?
Puja means if you go for a temple, they will make a puja, no? That meaning.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Then, do you like birds?
Yes, of course I like.
Okay. Then, tell me five birds' name.
Okay. Uh, Peacock, crow,
Mm-hmm.
well,
Mm-hmm.
crow, parrot,
Mm-hmm.
what, sparrow, and hen.
And
Hen.
okay, then what do you know about sparrow?
What?
What do you know about sparrow?
Hmm. I know that it is a small bird. It's
Mm-hmm.
a mini little size.
Mm-hmm.
It will roam here and there, and it sounds like cheep, 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 like a baby bird. It sounds.
Wow. Yeah. Seems interesting.
Yeah,
Hmm. Then, what do you know about parrots?
parrots. Uh, it will eat green chilies. It have a red color beak,
Mm-hmm.
and there are many colors of parrots like rainbow color, blue color,
Mm-hmm.
green color,
Mm-hmm.
yellow color, etc.
Okay. Then, do you know any more thing about any other thing about parrot?
Mm. We can pet a parrot in our home
Mm-hmm.
in a cage,
Mm-hmm.
and it will talk also.
Mm. Oh, how can it talk?
Um, if we buy it, it won't talk.
Mm-hmm.
It will be scared, and sometimes it won't talk.
Mm-hmm.
After some days, when we uh, make them to happy things, they
Mm-hmm.
will be singing
Oh, okay.
or else talk to us anything,
Mm-hmm.
and they
Okay.
repeat also.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Then what do you know about hen?
And we can pet that hen also. It
Mm-hmm.
gives us egg.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, if we don't take that egg, it hatches into chicks.
Oh,
It
okay.
looks like very cute. It won't go here and there. It
Okay.
stays with its mother and going with his mother to eat some food.
Okay.
And the mother chick won't uh, let its what chick to go
Mm-hmm.
here and there, and
Mm-hmm.
it also don't uh, like want to
Okay.
take its chick from it.
Okay.
So it will be angry and it will uh, it with its beak it will beat.
Okay. Then what do you know about crow?
So yes, but you can't pet a crow because crows are intelligent things.
Okay. Somebody is talking In background, can you come in other place?
Um, that's uh, that's my sir, English
Mm-hmm.
sir.
Mm-hmm. So can you come in other place?
I can. Uh, uh, 1 second.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah. Now it is fine.
Okay. Um,
So tell
my sir
me.
was talking to someone.
Okay. Tell me something about um, uh, crow.
Crow. We can't pet the crow as a pet. If we pet a crow in a cage, it will be very dull to see in our home. So nobody will get that. And it will collect some things
Mm-hmm.
down, or sometimes it will come to our house, and that we will clean our house with something wanting.
Mm-hmm.
That's the stick it will take,
Mm-hmm.
and it will go for make a
Mm-hmm.
what nest
Mm-hmm.
to lay babies.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do you think crow likes to make nests?
Yeah, near my house, long time, one crow was building, taking some sticks and everything. We didn't understand what is making and why it is taking that.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, no, one noise came.
Mm-hmm.
When I ran out there
Mm-hmm.
to see in the window, I saw the crow make their nest and there's coming chick sound.
Oh, okay.
I didn't believe that. How it make that?
Mm-hmm.
So I was thinking,
Mm-hmm.
uh, with on 2 days it make that,
Okay.
and the other crow was flying here and there and sit near that.
Okay. Hmm. Then, do you know any other bird that can float?
What?
Do you know any bird that can float in water?
Like duck, for example?
Yeah, duck. Then do
But
you know more things about duck?
yeah, but
Mm.
it will lay eggs in land.
Mm.
And when the eggs hatches,
Mm.
mama duck uh, will go to that lake and
Mm.
search for a new home for
Mm-hmm.
to live.
Oh, okay.
When the mother duck laid eggs, uh,
Mm-hmm.
some people were near, or a jackal, any um, dangerous things happen, so it will go with
Mm-hmm.
its babies in
Mm-hmm.
the river
Okay.
or a lake we can see.
Okay. So did you ever see duck in real life?
Yes, one time when I went to my grandmother's house, I saw 9 ducks are going,
Okay.
make a line and going.
Mm-hmm.
And I asked my grandmother why it is that. Then my grandma said, it's the neighbor's duck. How
Mm-hmm.
they that
Mm-hmm.
how they trained it very well. I was thinking.
Yeah. Okay. Then, do you know any other bird that can float in water, on water?
Hmm. Swan?
Yeah, swan. You're right.
Yeah. And I never seen a swan before
Mm-hmm.
because um, I can't get a chance to see it.
Yeah, same. I think swans swans are endangered birds.
What?
Endangered means rarely we can find it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, do you know any bird that cannot fly?
Only bird.
Hmm?
Hen, for example?
Hen, but I think hen can fly for
No.
some distance only.
You see, it will be in the land only. It
Oh.
can't fly by its own.
Mm-hmm.
If we are just beating it,
Mm-hmm.
the hen will hurt that and it will fly.
Okay.
But really, it don't fly.
Okay. And do you
Just
know any?
jumping and flying that,
Okay.
going there and here.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. So, do you know any other bird that cannot fly?
Like duck also, I think.
I
Yeah,
don't think so.
duck uh, don't. Duck
I
won't.
don't think so. I think duck can fly because it have
Hmm.
wings.
They have wings, but some for reasons like if the rain is there, the babies will be very cold. No, that time
Hmm.
they will use that.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
If any birds are not flying, they're having some reasons. Like
Yeah.
yes,
Do you know
uh,
about ostrich?
yeah, but it's a main bird.
Hmm.
It only walk
Mm-hmm.
if we are attacking it.
Mm-hmm.
It ran fast from us. And
Yeah.
if it is tired, it will rest here or
Mm-hmm.
there.
Okay. So why do you think why ostrich cannot fly?
Mm, ostrich will uh, uh, take its wings and put it in the bag and scare everything.
Mm-hmm.
Like it will take its neck and what head,
Mm-hmm.
and it will make any holes and put inside and will scare everywhere.
Okay.
We will think that it's its own creature.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, So we will be scared. Its plan is like this.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Then tell me more things about birds that you know.
Okay, I can. Birds are the only uh, creatures that are living. If the birds are not in our world,
Mm-hmm.
we don't get any what sweet sound
Mm-hmm.
and the birds will fly there. We will think that
Mm-hmm.
any new things
Mm-hmm.
and the hen, if it's not there, we don't get any eggs. So,
Mm-hmm.
uh, it have protein,
Mm-hmm.
vitamins and minerals. It's rich in there.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't get the healthy things and we will search something.
Mm-hmm.
So many of the birds and danger because the humans are uh, killing the birds for what I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
In forest ranges,
Oh, okay.
they're shooting the birds and they're taking it somewhere. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know.
Oh.
But by this, a large number of birds are going missing.
Oh.
So I want to not kill but if the hen is laid eggs and
Mhm.
we killed it for eating, means
Oh.
one day if you're killing one bird, we can just forget it. We
Mhm.
will feel like why did we eat that chicken? Like
Mhm.
that. One means nothing, or
Mhm.
many means we don't get any eggs.
Yeah.
Only we will search for that what one small egg only having no like
Mhm.
designed.
Mhm.
It will be very small that egg also we search and duck eggs also we will search.
Mhm.
Mainly some of them don't like that small like I said.
Mhm.
I don't know which bird egg is that.
Mhm.
That and the duck eggs also. They
Mhm.
will have some fever. Because of that, I will search for something.
Mhm.
So we need that hens and birds also.
Yeah.
Okay. And have you ever seen any peacock?
Yeah. I saw
Where?
in a zoo.
Um, in which zoo did you saw?
I saw in Delhi Zoo. We were in
Delhi
Delhi.
Zoo.
Yeah.
Okay. And which color was it?
Now you saw two types of peacock. One was white peacock, and the next was a normal peacock in many colors like blue, red,
Oh, that one.
yeah,
Blue, green,
green, red.
and
Yeah.
Yellow and light
Yeah.
colors.
Yeah.
I also saw in Chennai
Mhm.
when I visited, and have you ever seen a flamingo?
No, I didn't see. What is that?
A pink color, one bird having.
Mhm.
It will stand a normal way and
Mhm.
it will lift its one leg and touch to its another leg's knee.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's like a balancing.
Yeah, maybe that
Yeah.
flamingo likes to do yoga.
Yoga? No, no.
Yeah.
How can yoga?
Yeah, because in yoga we also have some yoga like that, in that we have to stand with one leg
Yeah.
only.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I think people can learn yoga from a flamingo. Yeah.
We can make it by ourselves also. Um, but if we see a flamingo, it can fly also.
Okay.
It look like one in my size also. In my size only, the
Oh.
flamingo will be there,
Oh.
or um, or a little
Mhm.
bit tall for me.
Okay. Oh.
But that feathers look like peach color. I
Oh.
like that color also.
Oh.
And the beak will be pink also. Then that the center of that full beak and that head, the center
Mhm.
point having there is black,
Okay.
and the full body is covered with a beak also, pinkish
Okay.
peach color.
Okay. That is interesting bird, right?
Yeah, but
Hmm.
I don't know. Nature have this pink color. I think God give this
Hmm.
bird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know any bird in yellow color?
Yellow color.
Yeah.
Ah, I saw. I knew it. It was that burger. It is
Mhm.
one type of bird. It is look like a parrot,
Mhm.
but its actual name is this one, like burger.
Mhm.
Mainly it will see in some what forest areas.
Mhm.
It's now also in news of their petting this. One day,
Mhm.
my father's father bought that for
Mhm.
me. Then what happened? No, one big what a
Mhm.
yellow color bird
Mhm.
died. A small
Mhm.
baby only.
Mhm.
Why they catch and I thought that feathers are here. I thought that I have four of them, two blue and two yellow. One
Mhm.
yellow died. I think
Mhm.
that one blue and one yellow,
Mhm.
that with its beak it killed. Because or else nobody will kill that bird.
Mhm.
Only birds only. If
Mm.
it is angry, it will kill something.
Okay.
And it was a nice conversation with you.
Yeah. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Have a nice day. Nice talking with you.
Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.